imagine there's something similar, because
Yes.
please reload it. I added some annex, so please make reload.
Okay, I will refresh it.
Yes, yes.
All right, all right. So we got 6 points for today. The tour of the table, as usual, the first for the past 2 weeks. Then the new website structure of e-content by Mr. Bobir. The third part will be the VTC platform project kick-off by Mr. Todd, Demeter, and Mr. Bobir. Fourth point is call for the I3D development by Mr. Todd. Fifth, Telekom Innovation School study progress. The sixth point is any other business. So we're gonna start with the tour of the table. We will start from Mr. Todd. Please, Mr. Todd, how was your, what did you do in these past 2 weeks?
You see, it was 2 weeks, so this happened too many things to me. I start from the from the end. Last week I attended. Okay, but very difficult because there is an echo. I don't know why. Can you sort out this problem? Hello? Can you hear me?
Now it is. Yes, now it is better.
So it was problem with Mrs. Fury, I think, at echo. Okay, so I had an alumni meeting from my university last week in Prague, and in special the Student Association of Hungarian-speaking students. So this was very interesting to meet some of them after 30 years. Even I didn't know them, who they are. Mainly the ladies change their face. We men, we retained young, you know, always. So this is the my main story. But anyway, I spent the week in Košice, the first week in Košice. But unfortunately, on Monday, last week Monday, I was just traveling. So, and not only this, but it was, I think, what was this date? We couldn't have the meeting. What happened?
It was the
first of May, the Labor Day.
Yes, yes, the Labor Day. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so, but now we are happy. We made a good progress in I3D. Maybe Dominic will drop few words about this. We have a point onto this, but I will not go into the details. And we developed also the new project, the VTC platform, where I call your participation or your comments at least. So that's all from me.
Right. Thank you very much. Mr. Dominic, how was your weeks and what you can tell us about it?
Okay, the last 2 weeks, Mr. Todd forgot to mention that we were in Tarnów, in Poland.
Poland. Yes, good, Dominic, good.
2 weeks ago, and Mr. Todd presented the I3D, and we collected a few contacts to potential resellers and development partners. So this was the Poland. Then in Košice we continue in the development of the I3D. We migrated to a new server because the previous one was outdated, and slowly we are finishing the version 1. Only a few functionalities are missing to close the first version, and now we are working on the design of the second version, which will be augmented reality oriented part. And we are also in contact with the pilot partners. I were in the US still to make some new photos, but these photos were at the end made by themselves because it was in a environment where I had no they didn't allow me to enter this building because of security and some other issues. So they made themselves the photos. So this is the way how we would like to
proceed.
Work this i3D.
And the photos are good. You see, Dominic, what I told you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So I told everybody this must be a user or client enabled innovation. So this is not like turnkey, tell me what you want and I will program it to you. So it is another example why involvement and training a user and or the client and simplicity as possible. Simplicity of the design of such a work instruction application is a key of success. Okay.
Okay, that's all from my side.
Thank you very much, Dominic. Ms. Elizabeth? Mrs. Elizabeth.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Please tell us something about your week. What did you do?
Last week I also was in Prague to meet with old friends and from my universities, and so it was very happy meeting. And today I am lazy because I was very tired after this big meeting. So this week I worked on author project, and so.
All right, thank you.
On my part.
Well, thank you very much. Miss Marta, good evening. This is Marta. Please tell us something about your week. How was it? What did you do? Hello? We don't hear you. Hello?
Marta just told me that.
Marta, can you write at least that you can follow our discussion in the chat? And we can go until maybe she will reconnect or she will respond us. So what is her experience?
All right. So maybe she has problem with this connection. We will come back after. Please, Mr. Yusuf.
So the last 2 weeks, the biggest news that I have is that I was accepted for master's degree in University of Luxembourg. Yes, so this was the biggest news that I have. I'm so happy for that. The program is in entrepreneurship and innovation. And the rest of the week, I was doing a new design for the e-content pages, and also I made this. I helped Nargis to create this lists for the Nuvia partners and the clients also. So we were usually working on this VTC. I mean the virtual CT platform, the connection with the clients.
All right, thank you very much. My week was little busy and not busy, we can say. We were working, as Yusuf mentioned, on VTC partners. We were creating the lists and preparing them for the emailing. And I was doing some coordination tasks. Today, Mr. Todd, I already emailed some of our partners, the ones which we mentioned today. And by 6 o'clock, I got the rest of the emails of the other partners. So tomorrow morning I will email the rest of them. I hope you got the copies. I also sent you.
You got it from Vincent also, the emails?
Yes, I got it like by 6:30 or by almost 7 o'clock. So tomorrow morning I will.
How many? Vincent, how many?
I got a list actually here. I already made a little. This thing I will check now.
Okay, now
It's around like maybe 6 and 8 something.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 6 because one was.
Go back. This is Sharabets. We already sent it. This is my case, not his.
No, they wanted.
No, because he sent me the emails like 1.5 hours ago. 6:30 something.
Vincent, how many emails he sent you? Okay, we discussed it before.
Yeah, and Marta is writing from to the Facebook that she worked on 360-degree virtual tour for the real estate, and she was trying to get feedbacks on her survey, and also she got 2 inquiries for.
Show us this Facebook. Speaking is nothing. Share your screen with the Facebook. What?
She's writing it actually on Yusuf's, and it's in the phone. So maybe I will on the video and show it like.
Yeah. So what is the result? I don't understand.
Do you see? Oh, okay.
No, we see your picture, not.
So this is what she is writing here.
It's not. Maybe this is not video.
I'm sorry that.
Okay, so we forgot also today. I had an excellent lunch prepared by. The lunch was lasting more than 1 hour. There were maybe 15 menus.
Not 15.
Tajikistan national food, really. And I can tell you, Nargis, that after tasting also this pita, what you packed me here for the dinner, I think you have very, very similar taste what we have here in Europe, more exactly in Hungary or in Slovakia. So this is the proof that we came from your region some 1,000 years ago and learned from you how to cook.
Oh, thank you.
From your civilization, but really this is a history. This is a history. Okay, but let's go back to the job.
All right. So we will go to this second point.
And what is the second point? Please show.
Do you see my screen? Or it's not?
Let us minimize the speaking only.
Yeah.
Because this is a video meeting.
So the second.
Again.
The second is the new website structure by Mr. Bobiev.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Bobiev.
So I give only introduction. Why we have to say what happens now? Again, the echo. Why we had to change the website structure? Because we have had to create a VTC page and reorganize. We have many services, many sites now. These sites should be somehow streamlined for our clients. So we have public site, we have intranet. But Yusuf, please explain, starting from the econtent.lu main site.
Okay, so do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So as Mr. Todd mentioned, like at eContent, we had a lot of websites, and the website of the eContent was supposed to be developed a bit more because it was looking very ugly. Now it doesn't go. So what we decided to redesign the page, the main page, and also make it very easy for the client and for the partners to find us. So here, the main, if you go to econtent.edu, so I think I found an issue because without W you cannot go directly to this page, but we will try to solve it. So here you go to the main page of the eContent and you will see such a menu. It was like also designed it was like edited by Mr. Todd now, I think. And then there is here, visit our public website, and this is Erasmus internship project of the company, Teledom. Like all the public websites we listed in one place, and our project sites, login required, as we mentioned here. So you can, even if you don't find the links for the projects, you can go to econtent.edu, and if you have the login and the password, you can log in with them. So the main change that has been done. So here, the public sites of the eContent. So here, you can find it also here and also under subsite of the WTC econtent.edu. So now what is the change? So you can see here, there is like the page has been completely changed. So we have the home page, the profile will given here, and the services. Like we have the general IT, VTC partner services, industrial 3D, and Erasmus internships. This goes to 3D to GIB team project. So we have open positions and contacts, and the latest news over here, and we have the Zendesk chat support chat over here. This chat will be always controlled by the coordinator. For now, it is controlled by Nagi. So any inquiries by the client, it comes here. So what else I can show you? So here we have the profile, and yet it is not, the mission should be changed. Mr. Tolas is in me, and I forgot to put it here. So the industrial 3D service, I think, is still empty, so we should also add some here. But the main page that was developed is this partner page, but we have the third point over here, I think. Yes, the third point. So Mr. Todd will go through it again in details, but what is there? Like, this is what we offer to our VTC partner, Virtual Tour City partners. And here, every kind of services that we can provide to them. And with a screenshot or with an example, and also kind of example of the content that we can create, that we can, I don't know, we can propose to the clients, but they will be the one who are doing this, who will be doing this services. And also at the same time, eContent will also be as a partner of Virtual Tour.tt, so we can still offer the virtual tours and these additional services. And here we have a feedback form for the clients, for the partners.
Okay. Yusuf, I explain why this structure when we in the second point. For time being is enough that we have a partner page.
Yes, so we have a partner page and the eContent
official partner page, and then we have also intranet for us, for administrators and developers.
Yes, so the Virtual Tour.city partners, and we have the intranet over here. So it was, I don't know, like those who had the access to the tender page, the VTC tender page. So this one was changed as a hyperlink to VTC. So here you can also have a look, and all the news about the VTC developments can be found here. List. We have also still like some.
Maybe you can show the emails that we send, the text on the right hand side, sample email.
Okay.
Only I think most of you have access to this. side, but no, if not, this depends on your interest in the third point, whether you want to participate in the project or not.
So this will be the email that will be sent, or that is the intent, we can say it, to the partners. So you can see it.
Okay.
So here we are. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Coming back, Yusuf, I don't know if you showed everything more to the e-content LU. So you showed the public side, Erasmus internship. This is the former, what is this?
The GIV.
GIV team, what we had.
Yes.
So this is also a service for us. Yes, so this is live. Okay, okay. Okay, and then what? Worldwide Innovation School, click on it. If it's working only, very quickly. Working on it, yes. Go back.
Worldwide album.
Worldwide album. Yes.
Here it is.
Yes, it's working. Then
also
go back. This is go back. You know, and then what is industrial 3D? So this is a i3D, Dominic, but this is internet. Partner internet you showed. Innovation learning portal. This is the internal learning portal. Here we want to demonstrate that we are not only innovating but learning company. At least there is an opportunity to learn. Learning means by doing and doing jointly, not marathon runner learning. But this is, we have this point also in our discussion, the study progress.
okay.
So maybe some questions and we can go ahead.
Some questions on any comments, or if you have any, I don't know, any advices, so please feel free.
All right, thank you very much, Yusuf. So we will move on to the third point.
But I have comments. But the I3D, Yusuf, this cannot last like this. So we have to put, I send you the architecture and also some presentation in PDF, and you can adjust it, yes?
Okay, I will add them.
So the comments are that you test them, you test and find out what are the missing links or mistake or typos and so on and so on.
Okay.
Again, there is a noise. I don't know why.
Maybe it's from me. I will off my microphone now.
But you are sitting beside you.
No.
No,
in one room.
He's in different room. No.
So why is echo? I don't know. But I don't understand.
Maybe.
Okay, let's go.
So the third point is virtual city platform project kickoff by Mr. Todd.
Okay.
Whose screen I will share?
I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, very quickly share. And now I will show you the. I go directly to the quick, and maybe I will start with this one. So this you have it in your. Can you see it? Yes.
We do. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this chart you have it in the attachment annex. So the VTC Virtual Tour City platform, what we acquired from Nuvia, has a different or new business configuration. So you see the hierarchy that the platform has partners, several partners, and each partner has clients. But the roles are more important. E-content from now is platform operator and partner network developer. So partners are agencies which deliver virtual experience to clients. And clients are directly on clients of the partner, not the clients of e-content. And now, because e-content primary goal is to promote the client by their virtual tools, hosting or promoting on our platform, or hosting, even hosting there, or using the production tools of our platform. I can tell that we go with an inclusive way. So we don't say this is our best virtual tool platform production and don't use any other. So we will promote the solutions of the partners. So we should act as a common ecosystem serving clients worldwide. So this is our primary goal for the e-content. Of course, in some cases, we can act also as partner. For example, big cases when I make a virtual tour for whole city or some attraction or some exhibition. Okay, but primarily we focus on the support of partners and building the partner network. That means today, as you see, we have only some 12 partners, but really 3 partners are active, what we inherited from Nuvia. So our main goal, main mission of e-content to develop partners all over the world. And partner will serve the clients. So this is the setup, and I don't know if you can see the current situation. We have about 54,000 panoramas, 12,000 clients, and 12 partners. Quality of client data are also questionable a little bit because we send to clients the announcement of this takeover from Nuvia to e-content, and from 12,000 emails, how many emails returned on Argis? How many?
You mean the answers?
Not the answers.
Open
5%. So that email is not delivered, or what you said me.
Yeah, 4,000. Around 3.5, something like that, almost 4,000.
Okay, so your task, you don't forget to identify, to fight for these 4,000 clients, whether this is find the correct email address, maybe from the domain name or from searching the name of the business or restaurant. So please, this will be a very boring job, but it worth. It is worth to search for these partners. And of course, in this also, our G members can participate. But first of all, I explain the whole concept, and then we go to the details. You know. Okay, so now what is the kickoff? Project platform kickoff. So the kickoff is to make the network reconnect with the client, with the partners, first of all, because for clients, we sent only announcement that there is a takeover. But today and tomorrow we are sending emails to partners and asking them to complete the form. This form, right? This form says, in principle, that we want to offer, so asking partners what they want, what they have. We have something in our files, in our functionality, current functionality. But if partners needs other functionality, or if they want to promote their solution, here is the box number 9. Or he can explain why our service is not good or what should be the improvement. So everything is here. These emails will send to 12 partners, or I don't know how many, Nargis, together, how many partners?
Today we sent 6 and tomorrow the rest. I think 6 more.
Okay, so this is roughly. So our goal is, of course, the goal reconnect to existing partners. And on the left-hand side, we show the partners what we have for the platform. So cloud hosting, promotion, publish your tours, Street View API, but this is only, we expect only for 1st June, and or to use the CRM, because the Virtual Tour City has a CRM system to manage the clients, who has which client, paid or not paid, or what tours, what panoramas, and so, and also built-in production to produce virtual tours. But here, not only our virtual tour, I don't know what is the result and how it, but there are many other virtual tours, because this is our. But there are many other virtual tours, even TourMake published Yusuf as true that can use the platform free of charge.
Yes. Yes, yes.
And also,
not free of charge, but by putting advertisement.
okay, okay. So you.
It's free of charge
Yes.
by additional.
So here is our primary. A is our primary focus. You remember from the chart. From the chart from primary focus, and now B, we promote already some of partner solutions. Examples. This solution created by us, but some of them, some of not. So this is, we will promote also partner solutions, and to enable other partners to use this solution and not to invent the wheel again, because this costs money. And this virtual tour production business is very tiny margin business. Therefore, many companies, mainly weak financial statuses, collapse sooner or later. So this should be reused. And here are the motivations to reuse. But of course, we will ask for also some fees for sponsoring solutions, or even sponsoring or promoting their clients in the worldwide album of the Virtual Tour City for tourism and so on. And here we have additional services for partners with what we can do. But this everything we can improve, and for example, we can add here also use of advertisement. Yes, Google Ads campaign, advertising campaign for partners.
Yes.
Yes.
When we will get a lot of traffic to the website, then we can
No,
accept.
but we do it for the partner for a fee, of course. And this is live support. Ask us anything. Yusuf, why it is not content? Brought is content. Type your message. Hello, e-content. So you will have an instant chat. Am I right?
Yes, it is online 24 hours. I will read.
Nice customer support. Okay, e-content store customer support. Okay, hello. Okay, who answered? Yusuf.
Yes.
Okay. So it's working, and of course, but you must be online.
Yeah, it is online in his laptop also, and in working laptop 24 hours. We don't off the work.
Okay. So coming back, so this is the overall concept. Now we need marketers in the first round. Marketers for several regions. Peter Berezny today committed to the Spanish-speaking region, so we put him there. But and I am for mainly the Central Europe, but we have discussing yesterday with Marta Malak, Marta, that she should take care about the Middle East and Africa and this Asia, and Nargis should take over Russia, Ukraine, and Baltic states. That means find partners again, not selling virtual tools. So please, we will discuss, but you please feel free, everybody, to send me email that you are interested or not, and I will make then on our VPC intranet setup, which will evolve. Who will be responsible for what? And of course, after this feedback from the partners I take this week, we get the feedback from them. We will work on what to offer, how to find new partners, what we can offer them, how to find them, how to, whether we use some advertisement or we search somewhere. We have some, I don't know how, from Vietnam, for example, one company developing virtual tools, even software. Okay, but this must be some systematic, country by country, region by region, to find out who are the maybe Google network, Yusuf. Google photographer network is what is public contact.
Yes, it's public, and even with their emails and the phone numbers given.
You see. So we have, but today we will not work. This should be next week. The plan to make the marketing, to build a partner network, extend the partner network. So that's all from my part.
All right.
I agree, but who wants to? Maybe Dominic, Yusuf, you can add something. For example, Dominic, what is motivation with the development task of VPC platform, the Košice development team? Do they have some results?
No, they have not delivered any result to me, and also I have checked out the worksheets or the system for the worksheets, and I don't see there any progress. So probably tomorrow or at Wednesday we will have a meeting with them. I hope they are working on it, but I need to check it out because no result from them.
But what are they doing?
They are working on the first task to make the hotspots changeable. They selected this task to work out together, and then on this task they can get familiar with the system and all the environment, and after this task is finished, they are ready to work on the other tasks.
Okay.
So I have a question.
Yusuf, you have something to add to point number 3?
Yes, I have a question to your to extend your question. How many emails to that 12,000 clients have been sent out?
12,000?
No, because in the system I saw that there is a few businesses, or there is a number of businesses without contact email.
So please answer. I don't know the details. Answer how many, what and what. So 12,000 emails and additional some 1,000 will be without email.
Yes, we told you that from I don't know, this 29,000, we had 16,000 clients who got emails, and the rest was having disabled emails or they were just without email.
I just want to add one more thing, Mr. Todd. So, like on the platform, it looks like that almost 19,000 of the clients has emails, but when
19,000.
Yeah, 19. And when adding them on the platform, on this what is the name of it? On this Mailjet platform, it defines the emails which are repeating. Yes, so which most of the time they probably during the massive projects they wrote one email for maybe 10 or 20 clients at once. So they will accept all 20 emails as one. So that's why, for example, when adding there, it became 16 or 17,000. So 2,000 of it was repeating emails all the time.
Okay, because they put always info virtual.city, yes? So
Yes,
they put Novia their email. But it can be found this client if there are some nice, I told you, we will not work for kebab shops, but if there is some interesting client, this is not a problem to find his contact on the Google. If you know the name of the business, I am repeating myself.
Yes,
so this is the analysis for Nargis, please. To find out methods. If you need some helpers, tell us. This is not a problem. I have also some interns which can come and we can receive them. So this really, we are aware that we need a nettoyage, like they say in French. House cleaning of data.
Okay, just one other note to this. Please update this email contacts also in the VTC platform, not only in the Mailjet.
Okay, but it is updated.
On the VTC platform, you mean the intranet, yes?
Not intranet. In the virtual.city. Of course, this must be there updated. Not in the mail.
So that city, I have no idea how to update all these 16,000 at once.
Not at once, one by one, one by one. Okay, we will not solve this situation. This is hard work that must be done. If we have another, I understood 7,000 users without any email, not any, but the email with virtual tools is not an email. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead.
Okay, so, maybe Dominic, I will call you and we will talk about it.
Okay.
Later on. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Todd, Bobir, and Dimitar, who is not available. So we're gonna go for the fourth point. Call for I3D development. Please again, Mr. Todd.
Okay, but this I tell it only in general because I don't know who is interested in this. I only want to announce you, that there is a internal call from us that we want to have outsourced a simple development. Maybe you, Dominic, you can show it. But this is simple. I tell it in verbally. So, application when in a smart glasses, the worker looks at the machine, and then the smart glass, of course, the i3D app recognize the machine and writes on the screen on the glasses on the foreground data about the machine, the statical data, what is this, what is that, or some model, i3D model, or some parameters, some dynamic attributes, like what is the pressure, whether this machine is in operation or shut down, and so on, so on. So really, this we expect that this needs programmer skills with help me Dominic, Unity 3D and OpenCV or something else?
Yes, OpenCV is the library which we are going to use for the recognition of the environment.
Yes.
And the platform which we are using to put everything together is Unity.
Okay. So if somebody is interested, but I don't know if from us, this is only an information that we maybe we will have a meeting.
Yeah, and additionally, for the point four, number 4, 2 more interns are coming for this project on June. So
This, yes, this fellow. So okay, you should tell it who is coming. Please.
Okay, it is one from one Chinese, we can say, who studies masters in French University, Zuokun, and there is another one from UK. So those are both interns or both prospective interns who solved our lovely task that we sent to them. So the both, one of them is coming on 5th of June, yes,
Yeah.
and the second one is on 15th of June. So we will have 2 developer interns during summer. They will be until 31 of August, one of them, and the second one will be until mid of September. And you can, for more, I don't know, exact dates, you can find on photo.
Yes.
all right, thank you very much. So the first point, Teledom Innovation School. Fifth point, sorry.
I am this, but so I have a good message. We had today with Yusuf a very good evaluation meeting of his study progress. So really, and we agreed that he will add more assignments, more results, what he has done with me, which will enforce his work-based experience. So far, he is reaching about, you can have anyway the look here, about 100 credits. So this is not bad, Yusuf. And what I like, that you are committed to finish, to complete the rest, to reach the all condition like Anebara.
Yes, I will do all my best to finish it like by June.
Good. So this is really your results, but we will improve it. And so this is not a problem. So only Dominic, you are on the next week, scheduled on next week.
Okay.
Okay. So please upload all your results. You see, you can relate to your task. But again, there is an echo. Which you can relate to the tasks, and then of course then I can assess also your progress. And still, I think Akos is good track. Anne is the best one so far with her quality of her assignments. So really, but still. You can meet her standard. You can see her you know, her learner home, and because this is, you can learn from her to have some inspired, but not, of course, not copy paste, but the quality of her study. For example, addition research task, what she studied here, really. You can have a look. I will not waste the time. Sorry how it happened. But you see, this is a format and everything is very good, and each criteria addressed, so it's high standard, you know, really.
We are not seeing your screen, but from your talking.
Pardon. Okay, so I will screen share. Okay, sorry, Nagis. Your task is to, of course, task is to give, so where it is. I will not lose the time. Google Hangout, where are we here? So now here is her. Now you can see, yes, this is her study, additional study, theoretical study. So very well, each criteria addressed, but of course some criteria addressed by her practical work because he works in the company and in the innovation project. So she's a typical good example for a student, for a BTech student. So really, so this is additional research study, Bara here, click here, and you can see her results here, what I just opened. And here you can see, of course, or everybody of you, you can see how is your grading. So this is also important. So this, okay, so. No, so that's all. So for my part,
All right, thank you very much. So the 6th point is, as usual, any other business. If you have something, we can discuss.
stop sharing. Take over, please.
No other business for today, I think, and I wish everybody good and productive, enjoyable week.
Please wait, Margaret, wait. Who will be the moderator for next week?
Me. Don't worry, Mr. I think it will be my job for, I take over.
Nargis, then be more active, more, I would say, aggressive, but gently aggressive, and ask people to contribute to the program. Yes. So,
yes.
Because everybody has some results. Who has no result, he is only a follower, and we don't need followers. In Europe, we have 99% of people are followers, but we need leaders. And leaders have always some ideas to present, to communicate. So if nobody wants to communicate, he has no idea, nothing, then it is a bad sign that they are followers. Okay, but again, so this is the theory. So thank you, Nargis, for your moderation, and willing also for moderate the next week. So have a nice evening also.
Thank you very much. And
bye-bye.
Everybody, bye-bye. Have a good evening. Mr. Demeter, I am really sorry. I didn't know, I forgot your, I mean, I didn't pay attention to your surname, so I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Dominic, but it's logical because your dad is not here, so only only Dominic is. Okay, so I apologize one more time. Enjoy your evening.
Okay,
And,
thank you. Bye.
For the emailing, maybe we will discuss it also.
Tomorrow?